Tomorrow kicks off the RV Experience, a 3-day event in Salt Lake City, Utah, where pretty much all the major players in the camping and motorhome world will show off everything from small components to complete campers. Winnebago is taking the opportunity to reveal several updated trailers and campers, including a new vehicle based on the popular Mercedes-Benz Sprinter called Boldt. The Boldt perfectly balances between sophistication and practicality, said Russ Garfin, product manager at Winnebago. Our latest introduction to the B van lineup is a quiet, comfortable camper van that can thrive in nearly any environment. The shell of the Boldt is familiar to anyone acquainted with the current generation Mercedes Sprinter. Up front is a 3.0-liter diesel V6 powering the rear wheels, with an array of driver assist systems such as blind spot monitoring, automatic braking, and auto high beam assist included in the package. Winnebago enters the scene with the upfit in the back, which can vary depending on desired equipment. At the core, Winnebago calls the Boldt an all-season camper van that can tackle urban environments as well as reaching wilderness destinations. It's also a generator-free camper thanks to its Pure 3 advanced energy system, utilizing rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that can supply enough juice to run the Boldt on-board equipment for several hours. Joining the Boldt is a refreshed camper called View, a vehicle that Winnebago says is the best-selling Class C diesel camper in North America. Like the Boldt, the View is based on a Mercedes Sprinter, and the new model gets a super shell sleeper deck with improved insulation and new amenities throughout. In addition to these Mercedes-based campers is the large Forza 34T Class, a motorhome, fitted with a new powered wheelchair lift and other wheelchair-friendly accommodations inside to showcase customization options available to buyers. For those who prefer trailers to all-in-one campers, Winnebago also has new floorplans on display for its mini series of trailers, including the Micro Minnie fifth wheel and Minnie Drop 210. The RV Experience runs from March 12th to 14th at the Salt Palace Convention Center in Salt Lake City, Utah.